What's up everybody? Today I'll be doing a coffee cake and it is quick and easy, but it tastes delicious. I promise you, you will love this coffee cake. First up, I'll be starting with the tools that you'll be needing. I have a KitchenAid fitted with a panel attachment. I have a rubber spatula. I have a 9-inch cake pan lined with parchment and pan spray. And that's pretty much all of the tools that you'll be needing. The ingredients for the cake batter will be unsalted butter, granulated white sugar, room temperature eggs, all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, and buttermilk. And that's pretty much it for the cake batter. For the delicious filling and topping, we'll be using flour, cinnamon, salt, unsalted butter, and brown sugar, along with some vanilla. And that's basically it, so let's get started. First up, I'll start by making the filling slash topping. I'll add my brown sugar, my flour, my cinnamon and salt, and I'll mix this on my lowest setting until everything is incorporated. Now that everything is incorporated, I'll add my butter. And you'll let this go until everything is incorporated and it looks like sand. So that's basically it. That's your topping slash filling. So I transferred my filling slash topping to a different container. Now I'll mix my cake batter in the same mixer. So I'll add my butter. So I'll turn that on. Then I'll add my sugar. And now I'll turn this up to medium and let it mix together for about a minute before I start adding my eggs. So before I add my eggs, I'll brush down the sides with my spatula. So now I'll add my eggs, one egg at a time. And now I'll let this whip for about a minute. So after about a minute of whipping, I'll turn this down. Lift it up. And I'll brush the sides before I add my buttermilk and vanilla. So now I'll turn this back to medium and let it mix for about 10 seconds before I add my buttermilk. So now I'll drop this back down to low and I'll add my buttermilk. And now I'll turn this up to medium and let it whip for about 2 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, I'll add my vanilla. And then I'll combine my dry ingredients together. And I'll just shake that around so it's evenly distributed. And on low, I'll add a little at a time until it's incorporated. So after about 30 seconds, your batter will look like this, nice and smooth. As you can see. So now we'll go to the next step. So now I have the 3 components. First up, I have my cake batter, and it looks beautiful, nice and light. I have my pan, and I also have my crumb, which will be the topping and filling. So to that, I'll add in some vanilla, and I'll take a spoon and mix that in. So next up, I'll take my pan, and I'll add half of my cake batter to it, and I'll spread that around. And what I'll do next is I'll take half of my crumb and place it in there, all around. So now I'll add the remainder of my batter to it. And to that, I'll add the remainder of my crumb. And now that's it. You'll place this in a 325-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So here is your beautiful coffee cake straight out of the oven. And what you'll do is you'll take a offset spatula or a knife and just run around the sides. So now you'll let this cool until it reaches room temperature before you take it out of the pan. So after your cake has cooled and come to room temperature, you'll unmold it, and this is how it looks. Beautiful, it smells amazing. And what I do is I add some powdered sugar to the top of it. Nice little sprinkling. Bam, and that's it. Your beautiful coffee cake. So here it is, your beautiful coffee cake. Please try this delicious recipe. I promise you will enjoy it. It smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you. Now I'll try this amazing coffee cake. Really good. I promise you will like it.